everyone, this is Ina with innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making quick and easy shrimp cakes. And for recipe we need just few ingredients, shrimp always. Look how beautiful I picked up this morning at the fish market. The beautiful, freshly, never been frozen, and I recommend to use the best quality shrimp you can afford. But any shrimp will work as long as they are raw for this recipe. Another ingredients, lemon, breadcrumbs. I'm using homemade breadcrumbs. Any breadcrumbs will work. A little bit of celery, green onions or scallions, and parsley, lemon. We'll use lemon zest. And that's it. And for the seasoning, I'm using homemade all-base spice because I like to use my own mixes of spice. I never buy ready, but you can use any you wish. And I will link below in a recipe I used, and I show recipe how to make old base spice from scratch. It's pretty easy. Let's do it. We need to peel the shrimp in the vein if we need it. Some shrimp don't have veins. I'm not sure why. If anyone knows, please comment below and explain why. What I like about this recipe, it's usually make ahead recipe, and I usually have ready them in freezer, uncooked. So I make the patties and freeze, and when dinner comes, or whichever time you feel like eating shrimp cakes, you can, without defrosting, cook them on a pan right away. And this recipe, what is special about this recipe, it has no eggs. And what I like to do, I combine, I divide shrimp in half, and half I create kind of like a paste out of shrimp, and that will be combined and hold together. So we don't need any binder like eggs. And then other half I like to chop nicely. So when I eat shrimp cake, I like to feel and see the pieces of shrimp versus to see the fillers like breadcrumbs and other stuff. And for the vegetables, I like to slightly saute so they're nice and soft. So the shrimp cake usually don't cook too long. So the white part of the green onions we're going to cook, saute slightly with celeries. And the green part we add along together with parsley to the blender. To add about 1 tablespoon or so olive oil along with butter. So first we start with olive oil, a little bit salt and pepper. Oh, smells so good. I like combination butter and olive oil. It smells so good and so much fragrance, especially the onions and celery. I love it. And let's set aside while it's cooled down and prepare our shrimp. So half shrimp I would like to put to the blender right away. So about half we add to the blender along with breadcrumbs. And about 1 teaspoon or so yellow mustard. Just a little bit. And rest of the shrimp I like just chopped, roughly chopped. And of course depends what kind of size of shrimp. And for this recipe you can choose any shrimp, small, big, any shrimp you like. As long as it has 1 pound of peeled shrimp, any recipe, any size will work. And add to the bowl shrimp along with our chopped greens, onions and parsley. Seasoning, about 2 teaspoons. Smells so good. And saute onion and celery. And lemon zest, we're going to use only, for the lemon, we're going to use only lemon zest. Mix all together. a little bit black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Beautiful paste. Now mix all together. Smells so good. All you need to do, just shape the patties, and at this point you can freeze them, and I often do that, or cook right away. My husband loves this for dinner. Oh, appetizer, it's nice appetizer as well, and nice, quick, and kind of healthy, doesn't have much fillers. And for people who has egg allergies, this recipe is excellent. And the last one is ready. Into the pan, a little bit of olive oil. And I like to use non-stick pan, or you can use cast iron. Oh, nice. Brown. And the best part, of course, to taste, smells so good. Look how gorgeous they are. Took just 2 minutes per side to cook. It's very quick. Oh, yes. And I like to serve with creme fraiche or Greek yogurt or sour cream, anything really. Little bit, little dollop. Squeeze of lemon, little bit. And dig in. So good. You can taste shrimp and the texture between shrimp and a lot of green parsley and onions. It's so delicious. And I like the crust. Homemade, all-base seasoning. It's so well worth it. Delicious. I hope you to give it a try, this recipe soon, and give me a like and subscribe. And remember, for the next video we are going to make something, but I'm going to choose something from this jar. Ukraine style meatballs. And this recipe is my mom recipe. It's one of my favorite recipes. I can't wait to share with you. Bye, see you next time.